Okay.
Okay, this is 1/3 of the engine cowling that goes around an engine. It takes 3 of these pieces. This is the top piece, and the frame of it, most of it's original, but it's been refurbished. But the cowling skin itself is all new and has been beaten into shape and English wheeled by some of the other volunteers, and it's been stretched and fitted to this frame. And then little by little we just began riveting it with different techniques with Randy's direction, and after about I think about 3 months and about 700 rivets, we've just about got it done.
And you got one you're working on over here with all the clecos in it. Why don't you tell me what you got going on here?
We're fitting this new skin onto the frame. Form it to the frame here. After we get it formed, we'll glico it all up, and then it'll be riveted like the other one.
Okay.
So we've got 2 of them done. Working on the last one on this section of the engine cowl. Engine cowls.